Hi there, this is Sharif from the product team at Pelcro, and in this video I'm going to walk you through account and site collaborators and how to use them to streamline your subscription management operations. As a site owner, you have the option of adding more users or collaborators to your account, and these collaborators might include functions or members of your staff who would typically help you manage the day-to-day tasks related to your business. So for example, you might want to add members of your sales team to keep track of their corresponding customers, or maybe include members of your customer service team to keep an eye on support tickets. It's entirely at your control. And by leveraging Pelcro's access controls associated with each collaborator, you can assign a different set of access levels for each available site, or even specific sections of a site. This is particularly useful when you want to let other people access your account without giving them access to sensitive information. And having collaborator accounts can also help you to keep track of recent changes and events. You can access your site Collaborators section by expanding the top right navigation menu and click Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Collaborators. And then when you arrive at the Collaborators section, you'll see a list of your current site collaborators. Each line item will include the collaborator's name, email address, and the permission level. There are a number of different collaborator roles available from your dashboard that you can add to one or more of your sites. Each role will have a predefined set of permissions. So right now we're logged in with the account owner's account. So if you look at the left side menu, you'll notice that we have access to all of the platform sections. This view might be different depending on the collaborator role that you're currently logged in with. So let's go ahead and create a new collaborator. From the top right corner of your collaborator list, click Add a Collaborator, and then fill in the required details of your new collaborator. So once you fill in the first name, last name, email, and password, the next step is to select the available roles on the role list. So you have 4 roles to choose from: admin, support, sales, or agency. Depending on the role you select, you might see some optional information fields which are relevant to the role. For example, if you're adding a sales representative, you might want to add the commission percentage which is tied to that. And then you select the sites which you would like to give the new collaborator access to, and click Submit. You can later modify any of the details for your collaborator through one of 2 ways. If you're logged in using the collaborator account, all you need to do is expand the top right navigation menu under your name, and from the drop-down menu, choose Profile. From there, you're able to modify the name and the phone number for your collaborator account. And note that you cannot adjust the email address, so in case you need to do so, you'll need to remove the collaborator and re-add them again. You can also change the account password by expanding the top right navigation menu under your name, and from the drop-down menu, choose Password. From there, enter your current password, followed by the new password, and then confirm the new password again. Click Submit to save the changes. Alternatively, if you're logged in as an account owner or as an administrator, and you would like to modify details for the other collaborators, you can navigate back to the collaborator screen, and from there, click on the ellipsis menu to the right-hand side of the collaborator of choice. You can either choose Edit Collaborator or Delete Collaborator to delete the collaborator altogether. And from Edit Collaborator, you can make any of the necessary adjustments and then click Submit to save the changes. That sums up everything you need to know for getting started with collaborators. If you'd like to check out more information, check out our documentation guides, which are available at docs.pelcro.com, or feel free to contact us at support@pelcro.com, and we're more than happy to assist with any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.